There's a hadith which is mentioned in book of Tirmidhi, hadith number 2616. A person comes and asks the Prophet that what act should I do by which I can go to Jannah? So the Prophet says that this is a very difficult thing to do, but for whom Allah wants it to make easy, it's very easy. He should believe and worship only one God and should not associate any partners with Almighty God, and believe in the Messenger. He should pray 5 times a day. He should give zakat. He should fast, and he should perform Hajj. And this person, inshallah, will go to Jannah. There's another hadith which is mentioned in Musnad Ahmad, also repeated in Sunan Nisai, as well as Sahih Jami, hadith number 4044, where Abu Umama, may Allah be pleased with him, he comes to the Prophet and asks that what act should I do that will take me to paradise? So the Prophet said, you fast, there's nothing like it. So one act that will take a person to Jannah, the Prophet said, fast, there's nothing like it. And further it's mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1899, the Prophet said that during the month of Ramadan, the gates of heaven, they open, and the gates of hell are closed, and the devils are chained.